स्ट्रीट स्वैग, हर कोई हमें पूछता है किधर से आ रहे हैं, किधर जा रहे हैं। मुझे लगता है कि जब तक मैं बुढ़ी नहीं हो जाऊंगी मैं यही गाड़ी चलाती रहूंगी। फॉर मी माई फादर वॉज माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड। ये गाड़ी मुझे थोड़ा सा पनिशमेंट के लिए तौर पर दी थी। मैं उनकी गाड़ी को काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंजॉय करी थी, तो उन्होंने जब दिखा उन्होंने कहा कुछ पसंद आया है आपको मेरी गाड़ी में। मेरा नाम सादिया उस्मानी है। मैं ओरिजिनली कराची पाकिस्तान से हूँ और मैं इस वक्त लाई फार्म्स इस्लामाबाद में रहती हूँ। ओरिजिनली वी आर फ्रॉम हैदराबाद बट I've lived here since 2016. उससे पहले मैंने कुछ अर्सा यूके में और यूएस में गुजारा। आई एम अ डेवलपमेंट वर्ल्ड कंसल्टेंट, so I work with various INGOs and donor organizations to come up with projects in women empowerment, poverty alleviation and water-based things. Yeah. So I was in 8th grade और हम जहाँ रहते थे वहाँ से मेरी नानी का घर थोड़ा सा दूर था, इतना दूर नहीं था, थोड़ा सा दूर था, तो लाइक 7 minutes ड्राइव में हम वहाँ पहुँच जाते थे। तो मैं 8th grade में थी and I never wanted to be reliant on drivers, so I just started learning how to drive a car. And then after 10th grade I had like 6 months off and I went to learn car driving school and I learned how to drive from there. And then one of my basic motivations was just to get to Nani's home from my home, and that is one of the reasons why I learned how to drive a car. So, but across many years, I've driven something like 400,000 miles, of road in America, in the US, and here in Pakistan. So, yeah. And I feel कि मेरे लिए vacation जो होती है वो एक road trip लेना होता है। गाड़ियों का शौक़ मुझे इसलिए है बिकॉज़ मेरे फादर को गाड़ियों का बहुत ज़्यादा शौक़ था एंड एवर सिंस आई वाज अ किड उन्होंने हमें डिफरेंट वेरियस गाड़ियों में घुमाया फिराया और वो हमें गाड़ियों के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा इन डिटेल बताया करते थे। सो आई हैव सीन कार्स ऑल द वे फ्रॉम Rolls-Royce to BMW M5s to old classic Mercedes cars that were also convertibles जिनकी छत उतारी जाती थी और उसको साइड पे रखा जाता था। So I've seen that growing up, and one of the reasons why I love cars so much is because my father would talk to me about cars. वो मुझे बेसिकली बताता था कि अच्छा बेटा ये देखो गाड़ी ये रोड पे किस तरह चल रही है, अगर मैं इसको इस तरह मूव करता हूँ तो उसका क्या गाड़ी किस तरह एक्शन देती है, क्या करती है। तो it was because of my father. His love for cars automatically came in me. And over the course of his life he had something like 300-400 cars that he collected, and because of that I found that the one passion that we shared in common amongst each other was cars. This is my third VW. I've had a VW Jetta, I've had a VW Passat, and then this is the car that my father gave me as a present when I moved back to Pakistan in 2016. तो जब मैं वापस आई तो उन्होंने ये गाड़ी मुझे थोड़ा सा पनिशमेंट के लिए तौर पे भी दी थी और इसलिए भी दी थी बिकॉज इसको चला नहीं रहा था और ये यहाँ पे खड़ी थी। तो when I took the car out and I would get so many compliments on it, we would take the top down and the entire city would turn around and look and say कि गाड़ी देखें, मोटर देखें। So it was a very interesting experience. But what this car actually sort of enabled me was to find my confidence when I finally moved back after 20 years of living abroad, was to gain my confidence in being back in Pakistan. So it really boosted my morals, and it was a wonderful experience. This is a 2003 VW Beetle. It has a 2-liter engine, and it is designed in such a manner that it gives you the sports car feeling. This was the first year after, like I mentioned, VW taking a break for 30 years, that they started putting the engine in the front. So it's no longer an air-cooled VW, it's as a normal car would be. And what that did was it gave the car a little bit more stability. So I'm a member of VW Club of Pakistan, and all the cars that we have are, the 1970s VWs where the engine's at the back, but this is the first model where the engine is in the front and it's more like a regular car. And again, when Germans were manufacturing this, they actually wanted to come up with this flower shape because, as you can see, it has a little different shape comparatively to the older one. It's got a little bit more bubble shape. So the front fenders and the back fenders are a little bit more rounder. And that makes it quite unique, because when they made the 2016 VW, they went back to the original shape. So this is like a unique little shape. It only came for a certain period of time, and then they stopped producing it altogether. The soft top obviously is a wonderful sort of like marvel of engineering. It's a 2-liter engine, and it's very powerful. With this model, so this is a 2003 VW. This is the car that they built after 30 years of taking a break from making the old VW Beetles. And they literally thought of everything, where they put the indicators, where they put the sensors, where they literally went through. This is like what I call, marvel of German manufacturing. They thought of each and every single thing in this car. And like when you even take the roof down, even if if you're just moving the car an inch or a few meters, it'll start giving you an indicator that your roof is down. Or there are like sort of 16 airbags in it at various locations, just to ensure that it's one of the safest cars that you can drive. So yeah, it's a wonderful experience driving a convertible. And plus, in weather like Islamabad that we have these days, it's delightful, because we actually get to enjoy the sunshine if it's cold. In the evening, as it's getting a little chillier, you can take the top down, you can feel the winters, and yeah, it's wonderful. VW Club of Pakistan में मैंने ज्वाइन किया 2016 के अंदर, और जो हमारे ग्रुप मेंबर थे उनसे मेरी मुलाकात F6 मार्केट के अंदर हुई. तो मैं उनकी गाड़ी को काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंजॉय करी थी. तो उन्होंने जब दिखा, उन्होंने कहा, कुछ पसंद आया है आपको मेरी गाड़ी में? तो मैंने कहा, जी आपकी गाड़ी बहुत अच्छी है. सो देन ही टोल्ड मी अबाउट VW Club of Pakistan. मैंने कुछ इवेंट्स VW Club of Pakistan के साथ किए हैं. जनरली इस्लामाबाद में जो मीटअप्स होते हैं, खाजोट के हैं. But because I've been busy with work, तो मुझे इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता कि I attend all the things. But I've met some wonderful people, and there's a lot of knowledge. बहुत ज़्यादा knowledge share होती है लोगों के दरमियान. और अगर कोई भी इश्यूज़ होते हैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मुझे मेरी VW से कोई इशू हो जाता है, तो I know the person to call, and then they can actually help me get that issue resolved, and it happens all the time. तो जो हमारे कुछ ग्रुप मेंबर्स हैं वो VW क्लब में बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव हैं, और उनको सब कुछ पता है कि अगर गाड़ी के अंदर ये चीज़ प्रॉब्लम आ गई तो किसके पास जाना है, क्या करना है. तो एक बहुत अच्छा कम्युनिटी से एक कम्युनिटी फीलिंग आती है, एंड यू ऑलवेज फील कि देयर इज समवन देयर, आप यू नॉट अलोन. नहीं, I think I'm satisfied with the VWs that I have, and the ones that I've driven. I think the Beetle is my best one, because I feel it gives you the feeling of being free. I've driven it, all across Pakistan. I've taken it all the way to Multan before the motorway was built, and I drove in it with 3 other women and a small baby. And we got so much street swag. हर कोई हमें पूछता है किधर से आ रहे हैं, किधर जा रहे हैं, and it was such a wonderful experience. So मुझे लगता है कि जब तक मैं बुढ़ी नहीं हो जाऊंगी, मैं यही गाड़ी चलाती रहूंगी, because this car is my love. So जब मुझे ये गाड़ी मिली थी, उस वक्त इस गाड़ी के ऊपर 8,000 किलोमीटर थे. And I've been driving it steadily since, और अब इस गाड़ी के ऊपर 60,000 किलोमीटर्स हैं, वो सारे मैंने खुद चलाए. तो मेरे वाले साहब गाड़ी कलेक्ट करने का शौक़ रखते थे, तो उनके पास एट वन पॉइंट इन टाइम कोई 20 गाड़ियाँ खड़ी होती थी. एंड ये भी उन्होंने शौक़ में ख़रीदी थी कि आई लाइक द वे ड्राइव्स, आई लाइक और जब वो मुनाल जाया करते थे तो वो इस गाड़ी में जाते थे, बिकॉज उनको बेंड्स पे ये बहुत अच्छी इट स्नेक्स अराउंड द रोड, तो वो बस कभी कभी इसको निकाला करते थे. तो when I got this car, it was he always sort of He would always emphasize कि नहीं जी ये वाली गाड़ी लेके जाओ. उनके पास और भी गाड़ी थे. Like he had another car which I really liked, and that was a Porsche Cayenne, and I really liked that drive, and I liked the drive on this one as well. But yeah, I definitely have a very strong emotional attachment to it because ये मेरे वाले साहब ने मुझे as a present दी थी. So and the kind of memories I've made in this car are wonderful. You know, I've had, you know, people from all around the world sit in it and take a drive in it and take a spin in it, and yeah, it's wonderful. He had a 1967 Silver Shadow Rolls Royce, which I also enjoyed a lot. Well, I have the everyday car, which is my Toyota Camry. I love that because it's a hybrid and it gives me exceptional fuel mileage. It's a very comfortable car to drive. And I'm a big mountain head person, so I have the RKR that I use for the mountains. And then I have this when I'm traveling into city, or I mean, I've taken it to places where there were no roads and it drove like a dream. So, you know, I have a V8 which I can't even dream of using with these fuel prices. But I feel that if I was to ever buy a car that I would really want, it would be a Porsche 911, you know, and that's my dream car. To me, the link between a father and a daughter is not just on that one relation, right? For me, my father was my best friend. तो उन्होंने जिस तरह हमें पाला या जिस तरह की हमें उन्होंने पेरेंटिंग दी, उन्होंने कभी एहसास नहीं होने दिया कि ही इज़ दिस अथॉरिटी फिगर कि जैसा वो कहेंगे हमें वैसा करना पड़ेगा. वो एक बहुत ज़्यादा डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम को लेके चलते थे और वो मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड थे. तो मैं जिस तरह अपने फ्रेंड से बात कर सकती थी, मैं उस तरह उनसे बात करती थी और ये चीज़ उन्होंने डेवलप की थी. उससे ये हुआ कि मुझे ज़िंदगी में बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस मिला बिकॉज आई फेल्ट के देयर इज़ समबडी हु बिलीव्स इन मी एंड देयर इज़ समबडी हु अंडरस्टैंड्स कि जी देयर आर थिंग्स दैट आई कैन अचीव इन दिस वर्ल्ड if I put my mind to it, and that was given to me by my father. So after he passed away, I actually saw कि उनका जो उनकी पेरेंटिंग थी या जो उनका टीचिंग स्टाइल था वो एक बहुत डिफरेंट अंदाज में था. एंड उसकी वजह से I felt कि I had the ability to take on the world. You know, I could do whatever I wanted as long as I believed in myself, and I knew that there was a person in this world who actually believed in me. So, you know, and that's my advice to all the fathers out there, you know, believe in your daughters and treat them as if they're your friends, because ultimately at the end of the day आपको उससे ज़्यादा loyal आपको शायद लोग ना मिल सके जितनी आपकी बेटियां आपके बच्चे होंगे.